Hello everyone. Welcome to Smart Semester's Python programming playlist. In this video, we will go through history and features of Python. Let's see the history of Python. It is created by Guido van Rossum and its first version entered into the market was in the year 1991. Now let's see the features of Python. These are the 6 important features of Python. First one is it is easy to learn. If you have seen the previous video, we performed same task in 3 different programming languages and we have seen that task can be completed with 3 times smaller code using Python than when compared with other programming languages like C and Java. So, first feature is it is easy to learn and it is beginner friendly. Second feature of Python is it is dynamically typed, meaning Python doesn't expect user to define data type of a variable. For example, if we want to store integer value in a variable A, in other programming languages like Java and C, we should first define this variable using int data type and then we will assign int value to that variable. If we assign any another data type apart from integer in other programming languages, they won't accept. If we try to store float value or if we try to store a string value, other programming languages will throw an error. But Python does not expect a user to define data type of a variable. Python dynamically changes data type of a variable based on the value it is being stored. For example, we want to declare a variable that stores an integer value. We simply write a equals to 10. No need of declaring data type of that variable. Now a is dynamically typed into the integer. After certain operations, you can assign float value to this variable a. Python will allow us because it is dynamically typed. Now Python will think a is of float type. In this way, Python doesn't expect user to declare data type of a variable. It is dynamically typed based on the value that is being stored in that variable. That is the second important feature of Python. Third important feature of Python is its standard library. Library is a collection of pre-written functions which we can use to simplify our code. Reusability is more when we have standard libraries in any programming language. Python has extensive libraries. For example, if you want to work on machine learning related projects, Python has pandas, Python has NumPy, Python has matplotlib, Python has scikit-learn. Like this, many number of built-in libraries are available in Python that makes our work easier. Not only related to artificial intelligence and machine learning, Python has libraries that supports web development too. Because of these existing standard libraries of Python, many experts use Python to simplify their work. The fourth important feature of Python is GUI programming support. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. Python supports GUI programming through libraries such as tkinter, pyqt. There are few other libraries you will get to know in the upcoming videos. These libraries supports GUI programming, meaning they make user-friendly desktop applications. These libraries provide tools and widgets to build interactive cross-platform graphical user interfaces. That is the fourth important feature of Python. Next one is it is object-oriented programming language. Python is fully object-oriented, enabling developers to create classes and objects to model real-world entities. Features like inheritance, encapsulation, and polymorphism are supported, making it easier to build complex applications using reusable and organized code. We will get to know about this object oriented programming features of Python in detail in the upcoming videos. For right now, you just remember Python is fully object oriented programming language. Last and important feature of Python is it is interpreted. It is not compiled. The difference between interpretation and compilation is explained in the next video. We will go through this important feature of Python in detail. Thank you.